Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review the Pocket Juice portable charger by Pocket Juice. So this is a 2,200 milliamp power bank. It's portable, pre-charged, and as you can see, it's high speed. Comes with a nice cable for your needs. I mean, maybe you could charge it like that, or use the cable like so. They're using an iPhone cable right here. It doesn't come with one, it comes with a micro USB. Anyway, on the back you have the specs. It does have a flashlight, which is really nice. This is by that company right there. It's a Tzumi, which is nice. And yeah, so there's not really much on the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. The packaging is pretty good. I mean, for the price, you would expect this kind of packaging. But nevertheless, it's not really a matter about the packaging itself. So here it is. Let's try to get this out. Here it is. And it comes in like it took the whole thing out. But anyway, so here it is. So I believe we can take it out. Okay, like that. And it does have a manual. All right, and we'll take this part out as well. There. Alright. So, let's take out the manual first. So, we have the Tzumi Pocket Juice 2,200 milliamp user guide, which is pretty cool. I mean, you got this nice instruction pamphlet, you got the safety, how to set it up and whatnot. So, if you want to read that, you can. I'm not. So, anyway, it's a nice material. I honestly love it. It's nice material. Not gonna lie. And just look at that. So beautiful. Alright, now to turn it on, you just click it. And if you hold it for 3 seconds, I'll show you the flashlight. I mean, it's acceptable. I mean, you're not going to be using this as a permanent flashlight. Hope not. But anyway, you can charge it up there with this one if you want. This is the one I used to charge it. So you just plug it into that part, and then you charge it. And it says you're not supposed to charge it at the same time while giving it out energy. Because if you're doing that, it's pretty dumb. You could just charge your phone like that. Plus, it slows it down too. So, and you could. This is where you take your other cable and you can charge it. So let me try to take this out with one hand. There we go. Alright, so yeah, it's a really nice quality for the price. Highly recommend it. If you do want another power bank, like a solar panel one, hopefully a company will try to send me one so I can review it. But this one is pretty good. I'll see if I can try to review another one of theirs. If not, then this isn't the only review I'll be doing. So anyway, without further ado, hope you guys liked this video. If you really enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new around here, because it only takes 5 seconds to do so. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.